Hey everyone, welcome back to part 14 of our C# and WinForms 2026 series. So far, we've covered menus, timers, validation, tabs, panels, and dialogues. Today, we'll explore NumericUpDown, TrackBar, and ProgressBar controls, essential for modern, interactive apps. By the end of this video, you'll be able to let users adjust numeric values, slide through ranges, and visualize progress like a pro. NumericUpDown allows users to enter a numeric value easily using arrows or typing. Drag a NumericUpDown from the toolbox onto your form. Set the minimum, maximum, and value properties. You can set this data in the properties of the control, direct in the designer, or in code. So in this case, we use the load event from the form to modify the controls directly in code. But feel free to use the properties windows. Capture changes with the value changed event. This is perfect for quantity selection, scores, or percentage input. We just make a basic example using an additional label in the change event from the control. So nice and clean, or? TrackBar provides a sliding control for selecting a value in a range. Drag a TrackBar onto your form. Set minimum, maximum, and tick frequency. Capture changes with the scroll event. TrackBars are great for volume controls, brightness sliders, or custom ranges. That is also very easy and useful in many tools, to interact with the user or ProgressBar visually shows the progress of a task. Drag a ProgressBar onto your form. Set minimum, maximum, and optionally step. We can use buttons to manually increase or decrease the value in the progress bar. So also very easy to use and integrate into any tool or? You can also bind the progress bar to a timer or background task to show task completion visually. So depend on the timer tick event. The progress bar increases every second. You can combine NumericUpDown, TrackBar, and ProgressBar for a modern interactive UI. NumericUpDown sets a target value. TrackBar adjusts the progress. ProgressBar visualizes completion towards the target. This makes your app interactive and responsive to user input. A few tips. Keep ranges consistent across NumericUpDown and TrackBar. Use tick frequency for visual clarity on TrackBar. Always validate progress bar value, it cannot exceed maximum. Label your controls clearly for a professional UI. Awesome! You now know how to use NumericUpDown for numeric input. Use TrackBar for sliders. Use ProgressBar to visualize progress. In the next video, we'll explore working with picture box and image manipulation, giving your apps dynamic image handling and display capabilities. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications to follow the series. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in part 15.